Aaptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to each. Ayurgrama, a unique first ever national level contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2022. Organized by Team Aaptas. Title sponsored by Ashtavaidyanthai Katumos, Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala, Trishur, Kerala. Prize sponsored by Ayurveda Shramam Private Limited, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Unit of Shri Hospitals Group. Aaptas Ayurveda is a group of passionate Ayurveda Vaidyas and students constantly working to reach Ayurveda to each. Every year on Charaka Jayanti, we come up with a unique contest to motivate our Ayurveda youth and promote thoughts of Acharya Charaka. This year, Charaka Jayanti falls on 2nd August 2022 Tuesday, and we are organizing an event as Ayurgrama, which is first of its kind in the field of Ayurveda. The soul of India lives in its villages. 60% of the population still lives in villages of India. Indian villages have a very beautiful and attractive lifestyle. To control the spread of diseases and reduce the growing rates of mortality due to lack of adequate health facilities, special attention needs to be given to improve the health care in rural areas. Spreading the thoughts of Ayurveda in the village can be a solution for the healthcare issues in the villages. With this thought, Aaptas Ayurveda has planned the contest where a team of 10 students and a coordinator will be adopting a village and will be working for 7 days with varieties of activities to make the village Ayurgrama. The contest is designed in such a way that the students will explore the various skills required to promote Ayurveda, and the main aim of this contest is to connect the Ayurveda youth to village. Ayurgrama 2022. Ayurgrama Bharata. Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.